What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. In today's video it is actually already a trading video, guys. Today we're gonna hit with the ICT concept, guys. So basically what I decided to do is to take a trade towards ICT traders. We will see how everything was gonna end up, but I already took a short right here. So basically how everybody can see, here is the imbalance, yeah, like for the ICT traders. And usually what they do, they like to take buys from here, and we perfectly can see right here is a beautiful rejection, huge rejection. Most likely the market, what it can do, it could break this high to show evidence and people to drag them like in the trade. But what I decide to do is to take short. That means I'm gonna take towards this low. I wanna take this low, yeah. The reason why is a very simple concept, guys. The price action went up, went down, create this beautiful like lower high lows, yeah, and at the end spiked up due to this news, and then spiked one more time. Yeah, and right now, very beautifully, at this time in New York session, the price action starts coming down, yeah. A lot of people, what they gonna say, yeah, but this is like a retracement, this is a push, they break this structure, and here we go imbalance, here I'm gonna take buy. Obviously, that's what all the ICT traders does, so I'm gonna do opposite, so I just took sells. By the time, we're still in profit, so I'm good with that. I'm not complaining about it. So the only thing was right here, yeah, due to the fact that I keep rejecting. I would like the price, I would like to price to see it does something like that, breaks underneath into this imbalance, retest, and hit my TP. My TP is sits at the London low, so we do have like enough space to move down. But for now, yeah, this is the only concept that I was trading today. I'm seeing here like supply and demand traders that they want to take the price action is above EMAs. There is like imbalance for the ICT, so basically plus is like fib extension, everything is right on this point. So I assuming everybody will gonna start buying, but due to the fact that 90% of the time the traders lose, this trade it could be a winner though. And also at the same time, what it could happen like the price action to give them a buffer, like to show them like, yeah guys, you are good ICT traders and you making money. But then from here it could go down and still hit our TP. So I'm gonna do two things. I enter right here, and I'm gonna enter somewhere, I don't even know, like somewhere here. I'm gonna enter somewhere in this area. We'll see. Here we go, like our key zone, which is 1.12. So if the price action will gonna come somewhere here, am I gonna look at the price and enter a short to still make a trade? If the price action will gonna go above, then it is what it is. I lost, and I just gonna call it a day. But I will keep you guys posted. Keep in touch, guys. I don't even know what to say, but I do really think that the ICT traders today a little bit got caught and had a losing trade. It is what it is, guys. No worries. I'm gonna make profits for you. I'm gonna tell you how it is to feel this beautiful trade when you're going against ICT. I do really like it. It's very beautiful concept to go against ICT because it works the most effective, to be honest, the most effective. But at the end of the day, I just took this trade only because, you know, here was like the price action above EMA, so moving average traders also they go in right here. The Fibonacci also go enter right here. The how is it called, ICT also they go enter right here. So for me it's left only just to take it to the downside. So If they're gonna lose, I'm gonna win. If they're gonna win, I'm gonna lose. That's what trading means. You have to I'm gonna keep it online only. I'm gonna keep it like that so we can see everybody how I'm getting our TP here. So basically I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna put my stop loss. I'm gonna put my stop loss to break even, if just in case the price action decides to come back. So yeah, guys, I do really hope like you enjoy my content. Please feel free to subscribe and like this video, so a lot of trader needs to see that, because the trading is not about strategy, and it's all about how you can read others people's mind, if you get the point. So I do really think like this candle or maybe next candle, because it's sorry guys, I need to answer. I will keep you posted if I did get hit with the TP or move back to the break even. Keep in touch. Guys, we do have a good news. I literally just end up on profit. I was basically, yeah, $150 Euro USD 11924. I end up, which is somewhere here. So basically it's been good. So yeah guys, that was the live trade for today. If you did like, hit the like button, subscribe, and see you on my next one. Peace and love. I'm out.